It's Valentine's Day. You gonna do anything special for your wife?
Yeah, what we're gonna do for Valentine's Day is quarantine. Yep, that's about it. Hey guys, my name is Darwin Manahan with Punch+Co. Today we're gonna be doing a cocktail inspired by Valentine's Day. I want to let you know a little bit about Punch+Co. We're an events company based out of LA. We specialize in craft cocktails on draft, but due to the pandemic, we're going to bring this to you. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make these different cocktails. We're going to go all the way from making our cordials to showing you guys techniques. Not only that, I'm going to describe to you all the different tools that we're going to need for the setup. So let's get to it. All right, before we get started, we're gonna need some kitchen equipment. So first, we're gonna need a saucepan with a lid, trash bowl, a strainer, measuring cups or jiggers, a knife, a ladle, a fork, a tasting spoon, my citrus juicer, Hawthorne Strainer, measuring cup, and something to mix everything together with. If you guys have it, feel free to grab your shaker tin or protein shaker. Last but not least, we're also going to need a cutting board. Make sure it's nice and sturdy on your countertop. So I'd like to put a wet towel right in the bottom. A little pro tip. So if you're joining us from Park 5th, you should have received a complimentary cocktail kit, something like this. Thank you, Mr. Hand Guy. All right, so let's see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
All right, right over here we have this beautiful list, and right to the left we're gonna have the name of our cocktail, which is gonna be Love from a Distance. Distance Love. Let's go ahead and open this up. So, right on top, you're gonna have your dry ingredients. Go ahead and open this up. Bam! So, these two right over here, pull these out. This is gonna be our dehydrated lemons. These are gonna be for the garnishes for our cocktails. And then this is about 20 grams or about a half a cup of loose leaf Jamaica tea. So you might know it as hibiscus. Go ahead and place this off to the side. Bam. Next, we're gonna have our sugar. So this is already pre-measured. This is gonna be about 2 ounces of sugar. Go ahead and place it off to the side. And we're gonna have our lemons. Boom, 1 and 2. Next, we have our Fever Tree Indian Tonic, mixed with the best. All right, and from Chef Jashmine Corpuz, we have her little treats for today. These are gonna be an assortment of different types of candies and chocolates. So go ahead and place off to the side. If you'd want to, you can leave it in the fridge. Keep it nice and cool. Last but not least, boom, we got Lillet Rouge. This is gonna be the main protagonist for our cocktail. So a little bit about this, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it over to Lauren. Lauren, what's up?
Hi, I'm Lauren Trickett, the National Brand Ambassador for Lillet. So, what is Lillet? Lillet is a fortified wine, and it's made in the heart of Bordeaux, France. This iconic wine region has been giving Lillet its base wines since 1872. We make 3 different marks of Lillet, each one special in their own right, but they all contain 85% wine and 15% fruit liqueur with quinine. Whether you're going to enjoy Lillet in an elaborate cocktail or over ice with a slice of orange, just remember to keep it in the refrigerator after it's opened. Santé!
Oh yeah, and that's why I wear Crocs. Oh, hey Lauren. Thanks. All right, let's get this Jamaica cordial started. So what we're gonna need is 16 ounces of water. We're gonna go ahead and bring that to a rolling boil. After your water's finished boiling, turn off your heat and go ahead and grab your Jamaica flour. We're gonna go and place all the contents of the bag inside the pot. And then what we wanna do is let it steep for about 20 minutes. So once your Jamaica tea is finished steeping, feel free to grab your measuring cup and a strainer. We're gonna go ahead and pour 2 ounces in here. Grab your sugar. It's gonna be 2 ounces of sugar. Pour it into your measuring cup. And we're gonna stir and make sure the sugar is fully dissolved. While you're waiting for the sugar to dissolve in your cordial, let's go ahead and prep those lemons. Grab 1 lemon and grab your knife. So what I wanna do is I actually wanna trim the north and south poles out. So north and south. Go ahead and slide those in. bam, and bam. So, once again, I have my trash bowl. Go ahead and put these in the trash. Then from here, what I want to do is cut through the equator, so the center line right here. So once those are prepped, I'll set those on the side of my board. I'm gonna go ahead and taste our cordial. So the sugar is dissolved, and all right, it should be sweet and tart. For this cocktail, it's gonna be ½ ounce of the cordial. All right, and then as for the lemons, I'm gonna use my lemon juicer. And what I wanna do is about 1 ounce. If you don't have a juicer, feel free to use a fork. Go ahead and check that. All right, next, we're gonna do the Lillet Rouge. So for the Lillet Rouge, we're gonna use about 2 ounces. Pour that in. All right, now I'm gonna grab some ice. Boom. Thanks, hand guy. So for the ice, we're gonna use about 5 to 6 ice cubes. And what I want to do is temper. So tempering is just bringing both the ice and the cocktail to the same temperature. So if you do not have a shaker tin, you can use a protein shaker or use a mason jar. Basically anything with a lid. You go ahead and temper a little bit more. Then from here, let me set this down and grab my glassware. Thank you, Mr. Hand Guy. Place that down. Give it a nice light shake first. So from here, what I'm looking for is a little frost on the tin. And if you do have a protein shaker, just make sure it's nice and cold on your hand. And then now, since this is cold, I'm gonna give it a hard shake. So what I wanna do is wait for the ice to dissolve as much as I can. All right, now it's kind of quiet. Go ahead and crack that tin. I'll grab my strainer. Strain this right into our chilled flute. I'm gonna leave about an inch off the top. Place it on the side. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab our Indian tonic water. So this is actually really good with this pairing. I love it with Lillet, especially like the bitterness of the tonic works really well with the sweetness and the bitterness of the actual Lillet. Boom. So I'm topping this off right to the rim. Bam. That looks good. All right, let's grab our garnish, place it inside the flute, and there you have it. Love from a distance. Thank y'all so much for joining us today. We really hope you had fun. We'd love to thank our sponsors, Park Fifth Towers, Lillet, Fever Tree, SugarPop 55, and Manahan & Co. aprons. We hope to see you guys soon, and we hope you have a very, very, very happy Valentine's Day. Cheers. Be safe. Doesn't suck.